Okay, this is VAC2458 with IU026. We're going to show you how to start up the 172. Been pre-flight inspected, so all we need to do is just crank the friggin' thing and get her going. For frig's sake, and get this on my side. So first thing we want to do is we want to grab the Hobbs meter, which is one right here. It's reading 71215. 71215.
Oh, by the way, you're getting all start up down stop times.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Let's see here. Seats, belts, or doors. Yours are secure.
Yeah.
Mine are secure either side. So next thing we have flight controls. So we test full left, verify proper aileron deflection, full back, and full right, proper aileron deflection. Full down, aircraft is working properly. Or flight controls rather. So flight controls are checked. Trim. So the trim was pretty far. Probably there. Yeah, that's about right.
It doesn't have to be precise.
Nah. Trim is set. Fuel selectors on left. Electrics are all off. Oh, alright. Do you run up in there? That's cool. Circuit breakers are all in. And brakes are applied. So mixture full rich. Throttle is 1/8 of an inch. Carb heat is cold. Primer. Oh, sweet. Can you prime it for me, please?
Oh my god, this primer is not the greatest thing in the world.
This primer, jeez. So unfortunately, our primer is kind of dudded here.
Ah!
3 strokes, eh? Holy.
First start of the day.
Golf Yankee, correction, Golf Victor Charlie Papa. Interesting.
Okay, primed.
So, okay, primer master is on, if you can. High voltage light is off. Lights, we're gonna put the beacon on. Area is clear. If it was warm outside, I'd have my window open and I'd yell clear prop, but I'm not going to do that. My friend's gonna crank here, since I am not in the position to crank it properly. So, magneto start. Beautiful start. Throttle's 1000 RPM. Oil pressure and oil temperature in the green arcs. Mixture leaned 1 inch. That's the lean there. Beacon is on. Oil cooler doors open. Avionics. Avionics are now on. And transponder is on standby. Flaps are coming up. Ammeter is checked as the flaps are going up. Alternate static source. Alternate static source is checked. ATIS